Hello and welcome to RLRXL Network. I'm your friend, and in this amazing video, which will be the 7th video of this VBA series, in this video we will learn how we can hide or unhide row and column using VBA. Alright, so before wasting any extra time, let's go to our VBA page and learn how we can do this amazing trick using VBA. Alright, so to open our VBA page, just go to Developer tab and click on Visual Basic, so your VBA page will be open. And now let's start our coding. So first I will type my heading name. So for this I will type sub and will type my heading. So heading would be hide rows. Just press enter. Now you can see your, and if you want to type any code, so first you should have to mention your comments. So for this I will just open apostrophe single and type my message. So this code will be used to hide your rows. Alright, so this is just for informational your comments, and just enter and now type your command or code. So the code would be this workbooks dot sheets, and in which sheet you want to hide your rows, so that would be sheet 1. So I will type here open bracket under quotes type sheet 1 and then close the quotes and close the bracket. Then dot what you want to hide, row or column. So here I want to hide my rows, so I'll type rows open the bracket which rows you want to hide. So if you want to identify any rows, so if you want to hide your first row, so it would be 1 colon 1. Alright, if you want to hide your 15th row, so it would be 15 colon 15. So this is how you can identify your rows. So if I want to hide my first row, so that would be 1 colon 1. Alright, then close the quotes, close the bracket, then dot type your attribute which would be hidden, then press is equal to and true, and now your code is completed. And whenever you will run your code, then what would be happen? Let's see the result. Now you can see here your first row is now hidden, and if you want to unhide your rows, then let's write any another code. So what will I do? I will just also can mention next subject in this module. So I will type sub which would be unhide rows, then press enter. First I would type my comments, so that's why I will just copy this data and will paste it and just change this which would be unhide rows. This code will use to unhide. Alright, this I should need to type here unhide rows. Alright, and then write your code. So that would be this workbook dot sheets, then type your sheet name, so it would be sheet 1. Then you want to hide your rows, unhide your rows, so type here rows open the bracket which rows you want to unhide, so that would be first row, so it would be 1 colon 1, then close the bracket, then type your attribute which would be hidden is equal to, now here you will type false, and now here you can see there is 2 code completed. Let's see, if I will press alt plus F8, then here you can see in macros page there is 2 macros. First would be for hide your rows and the second would be for unhide your rows. So I will select this one and then run it. Now you can see your first row is now unhidden. Alright, same you will do for columns. So let's do for comments, do for columns. Here I will simple type sub hide columns. Alright, then press enter, and here I will type my comments, so that would be hide your column. Alright, now type your code, so that would be this workbook dot sheets and then type your sheet name. Then in that time I want to hide my columns, so I will type here columns. Alright, then open the bracket. Which column you want to hide? So here in this sheet, if you want to hide your columns, so if I, for example, I just want to hide my column which is key column, so that complete column name would be K colon K. Alright, this is how you can identify any complete column. Alright, if you want to hide your n column, so that would be n colon n. Alright, so let's say I'm just hiding L column, so I will just type here under quotes L colon L. Alright, then the attribute would, which would be hidden press is equal to and true. Now you can see there is code now done. And if I will press Alt plus F8, now here you can see there is 3 macros, and if I will run this macro which is hide columns, then you can see your L column would be hidden now. So let's run. Now here you can see. Alright, so this is how you can unhide or hide your rows and hide your columns. And if you want to unhide your columns, just write a new code. So I will do what I want. I will just copy my this and just press enter, and here I will type subject name which would be unhide column, and I will type unhide column, and here just I will simple type false. Now this is done, simple. And then see, if I will press Alt F8, now here you can see there is a new macros which would be unhide columns. Let's select this one and run it. Now you can see your L column is back. Alright, so there is 4 method or 4 macros which you can use to hide or unhide your rows and hide or unhide your columns. This is how you can do this amazing thing using VBA. Alright, so I hope you will like this video, and if you will like this video, please like it. If you did not subscribe my channel still, please subscribe it. And if you have any query regarding this video or any Excel video, so you can just do the comments below of this video, and I will meet you next video to show you something amazing trick using VBA. Alright, so we'll meet you in next video. Till then, goodbye.